So in OpenMRS, we've been sort of talking about the sort of general ways we could respond, and the purpose of the work I'm going to show you is primarily to show you the sort of capabilities that we've added to OpenMRS's metadata. So we started off building from the WHO case reporting form, figuring that was collecting a sort of minimal set of data that people would be interested in, and from that we've created 3 forms currently, although I only have 2 in the system. I'm going to show you a case reporting form and a sort of screening form. So the case reporting form. Oh, this would of course happen. Let me see if I can at least bring up the screening form. Sorry about this. This system has been giving me problems, which is why I did not pre-record this. So essentially, this is our screening form, which is just a very basic sort of form, just to capture some very basic information about patients who might be coming in. We're going to add a section for vitals, and there's another section that we're going to add below this, but basically this functions. The cool stuff I was going to show off is the stuff that's in the case reporting form, where we've added into CL the concepts for different countries, and we can now capture information related to the country, the country where somebody resides, the country where they were diagnosed, the country where they work, in case those 3 things are different. We also have some basic fields for figuring out, if they work in a high-risk occupation and that sort of stuff. Our next stage with this is to start to build some sort of reporting around the data that we can capture with this, with the idea being that we can create some generic and hopefully useful reports for the community out there. And yeah, I think that's about it for me.